Right. This is my word puzzle search generator. It's right here. This is my current version, and right now it only does. I think it's got an error in printing, but that's fine. Let me check my mail rate. It's probably missing this. Missing the box here. Okay, that's. I haven't turned this on in so long. This was production. This was a production version, but it was only for word search puzzle books. So has it worked for me? Yes, it has. But somewhere in here, I swear, is there it is. These are all the puzzle books that I've been able to print using the software. This is the largest one. Right, this one was pretty big too, but this one was using the old style when it first began. This is the newest iteration. And then this is what it does. It takes a theme. You see it? Takes a theme that you search from within here, and you choose the book size right there. So see over here, see over here. And try and so you put in here any word search you want to. Let's see this. Museums. And what this ended up doing, well, in here, in this case, all I did was this. I had to compile this. My next iteration, the next version is not going to have this efficiency. But what we'd end up doing is because this was a very large puzzle book we generated, we wanted to test out the capabilities. We went all the way up to 200. Yeah, the default here allows it. The counter also means fixing. And we wanted to make it 20 words right there. And we wanted to make it a 20 by 20 grid, hence the maximum word length of 20 that was wanted. And then here we'd add book title, author, and then here. I know it saves this word list because I have deleted the text in here. It uses the text inside of here to create a words list. Then what I did here is we added a deduplicator. I have right now 3,388 raw words. After the duplication, it goes down. I have a requirement of 4,000 words. So obviously a theme, we need different types of searches. Searches like here, this is a different type of search. Biggest names, biggest discoveries, biggest news events of the decade. This is always trying here B-list movies, popular songs, music and lyrics. And each of these rendered X amount of words, some of them duplicated because there's no way to prevent that there's going to be crossover when you're doing such a large theme, such a focused theme like this, 1980s. 1980s. So right now we're at what 6,289, but as you can see, my deduplicator is still canceling out extra words. Doesn't matter at this point, but if you notice here, total quotes will, so this I can get something with more words. I'll use Have I selected all my words list? Required. I must have lost the word list. So that means somewhere. These are the word searches, the Bible. Um, so when somebody searches for words, excuse me, I can barely say that. I don't know why. When somebody does a word search theme here, they're going to click on generate words. What it does also is that it automatically starts collecting quotes. Even though we added here functionality for it to generate quotes, typically it doesn't need it. But these quotes are basically what comes out here on the top of each of the different pages. So what it's going to do, it's always going to do up to 20 words. In this case, when I was doing this, I remember. It's not that it actually has 20 words because some of these words are very large. Um, I'll be back. We're gonna call Ghostbusters. Boom, boom, boom. Then right at the end here, as is appropriate, we have to also create this from scratch. Yay, mother truckers. Like totally awesome, dude. Yeah, was a very large book. I'm at what, page 164 of puzzles? And there you go, that's the last one. Now here are the answers to it. It automatically does this for me for the book, and each of these has the corresponding puzzle page on each one. And these already come out in a KDP size format approved by Amazon. The new version has Barnes and Noble now. And this is my next software, which is the OnlyFans AI Manager. And what this is going to do, it's going to hopefully attract agencies and models that want to use advanced AI. Uncensored, and add an uncensored NSFW chats. So, so right now I lost my database so yeah, I have been finished. This is my second app. This was actually my third creating. I actually took this one all the way up to a production version. I'm actually going to release it for use. Things that I've done so far is for a smart puzzle builder, created Instagram for it, just like I created one for the OnlyFans AI Manager. I don't know what to name it yet though. I just have I called it um wait, I didn't do it for OnlyFans yet. I did it for my third app, and I'll get into that in a little bit. Apologize for the confusion, but here is my current profile. So now I'm going to be um, kind of nervous here because I do want to finish up this new build because we have installed Sudoku and Nonogram. this guy. And anti-gravity actually works very nicely. It integrates just like if you're using Visual Studio. I do have Visual Studios and I'll go right back to it now. Have some limitations, but I've been pushing the boundaries of the Gemini 3 Pro, right? And I've gotten some pretty nice production out of it in the past few days. I do have a Zen coder right here. I guess I will be um, do I see here? Go ahead and open that window. What's on it? Did it? I'm really not seeing a purpose for the. I mean, if I need it, I'll just put it back to the credit card use. That's what it had. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Let me pause this because I don't want you to see the credit card. You pause, you can't pause.